Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Gohar Publishers. This is Hamna bint Shehzad. Our motto is redefining the geography of education through digital resources for conceptual learning. Dear teachers and dear students, आज के इस वीडियो लेसन में हम देखेंगे इंग्लिश फॉर द ग्रेड 6 का यूनिट नंबर 4 एंड द टाइटल ऑफ यूनिट इज अवॉर्डीज ऑफ निशाने हैदर. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं एक्सरसाइज. नाउ रीड एंड प्रैक्टिस द डायलॉग ऑन पेट्रोटिज्म. अब यहाँ पे टीचर और स्टूडेंट्स हैं तो आपने इसी तरह क्लास में ये रोल प्ले परफॉर्म करना है. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. वालेकुम अस्सलाम. डियर स्टूडेंट, डू यू नो व्हेन वी सेलिब्रेट डिफेंस डे? यस Sir, we celebrate Defence Day on 6 September every year when the Indian Army crossed the international border to attack Pakistan. It is celebrated in Pakistan as National Day. Your answer is quite correct. Students, can anyone of you tell the meaning of the patriotism? Yes, sir. Let me tell the meaning of the patriotism. It is love of our country and the desire to defend it. You are right. Who are the real patriots of our country? Those who sacrifice their lives to safeguard the country. What are the effects of being patriot? Patriotism makes a nation strong among the others. In other words, patriotism is the key to progress and honor in life. Thank you for providing useful information. Now, next. Take the correct answer. Nishan-e-Haider is awarded to Army Martyrs. He took part in the war fought soon after the creation of Pakistan. Captain Server, he enlisted the Pakistan Army in 1984. Lalakjan, the Kargil War was fought in 1999. The 1948 war was fought to push the Indian troops out of Kashmir. Now answer the following questions. What is the main theme of the text? The theme of the unit is awardees of Nishan-e-Haider. What is the three names of the person who were awarded Nishan-e-Haider? Major Aziz Bhatti, Rashid Minhas, Captain Sarbar. Are the characters described in the text inspiring and motivating? Why? Yes, because they sacrifice their lives to defend our country. Which word does the author use effectively to teach patriotism? The author used the word superhuman to teach patriotism. Why does the author choose the word martyr rather than die for those who sacrifice their life for the country? The author chose the word martyr rather than the die because those who sacrifice the life for their country and embraced martyrdom will not die. Now next, provide the missing letter in the incomplete words given below. Procedure, volunteer, mortar, occupation, military, reinforce, soldier, independence, grenade, रेसिपिएंट, बटालियन, मार्टरडम. अच्छा, अब हमारे पास कॉन्सेप्ट है एडजेक्टिव का. एडजेक्टिव में हमारे पास यहाँ पे हमें पता है कि सुपरलेटिव जब एडजेक्टिव होता है यानी कि सबसे बड़ा, जैसे कि द ग्रेटेस्ट, तो वहाँ पे हम द लगाएंगे. लेकिन जब कंपैरेटिव हमारे पास होता है लाइक टॉलर दैन, फैटर दैन, शॉर्टर दैन, लॉन्गर दैन, तो वहाँ दैन इस्तेमाल होता है. नाउ राइट द और दैन विद द डिग्रीज ऑफ द एडजेक्टिव. ही इज़ द फास्टेस्ट प्लेयर इन द टीम. He is taller than Arsalan. You have the shortest pencil. Your pen is more expensive than his. This flower is the most colorful. The story is more interesting than hers. This tower is the tallest. He is the most intelligent student in my class. She is more hardworking than Shahida. He was the bravest soldier. I hope आपको आज का वीडियो लेसन पसंद आया होगा. एक नए वीडियो लेसन के साथ हम फिर मिलेंगे. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.